This week, we got a floating red shelf, hidden hardware, ultra smooth. Let's jump right into it. This order was for 4 5-foot shelves, so that's what I'm cutting them to here. Here I'm doing a little bit of layout work, locating the template for the router, and it also guides where the holes go. Make sure that those holes are perfectly located for the hardware. Awesome little kit here I got from Amazon. Now the template will help guide me to get this routed out so that the mount will slide inside there and be completely hidden. Now more of everyone's favorite, just sanding. Gonna work through the grits here, make sure this thing is really smooth and nice. Just take an opportunity here with a little black CA glue, fill any little holes and knots in to stabilize them. Here, like always, just breaking those edges, in this case, a nice big round over per the customer's request. Next, nice dark walnut stain. Love the way that dark walnut stain looks on red oak. So here is my oil and beeswax blend. Gonna put that on kind of heavy, let it soak and come back and wipe that dry. So here are a few shots of this beautiful shelf. I just don't have space in my tiny shop to hang it, but I hope you can get a feel for just how beautiful this will be on the wall. The dark walnut stain, the oil finish with a little bit of poly on there just to help protect it. So there it is, a red oak shelf, hidden hardware, smooth as promised. Customer loves it. If this kind of work matters to you, a like and a subscribe matter more than you can possibly imagine, because it helps get my channel to other people like you. Until next week, get in the shop and be a maker.